59% of users share content on social media without even reading past the headlines. Only 16% of people read that content word by word, and a whopping 90% of readers will read the PS before the actual body of an email or letter. But most freelancers are doing it totally wrong when they write something like this at the end of their proposals to a potential client. Thank you ever so much for reading my proposal. With very best regards, Jim. Send message. We talk. Maybe I'll listen. Then you pay. No problem. I promise that I'll do a super great job on this. It's going to be amazing! Tori. Yo, may I talk to you straight up? Send me a message or something. We gonna pop on the ends and get the paper, man. Bless up. Go. Okay, maybe not that last one, but marketers say that the postscript is really the first paragraph in your proposal, not the last. So how can we use this information to our advantage to win more freelance jobs? Simple. Write a captivating PS in all your proposals. It's a fact. Statistically, this is the section of your proposal that clients are most likely to read, so you better make it count. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how. All right, so now that we know that almost everybody is gonna skip to the end of your proposal, let's make it as captivating as possible. So irresistibly interesting that they'll just have to go back and read every single word you wrote. This is what I like to call a reverse hook, because we want to hook them with an alluring PS at the end of our proposal. Then if we did it right, that will make them want to ask us questions. So what goes into a compelling PS? Well, for most people, PS stands for postscript, but for us, it really stands for personal and specific. Incorporate the client's name. Everybody loves the sound of their own name. Unless their name is Mugdirt or something, using their name in the proposal makes it feel more personalized toward them. You're speaking directly to the client. The more that you can personalize it, the more that you will get noticed. Getting noticed is good. That is what we're looking for here. Talk specifically about the project. In a world where people are copying and pasting proposals with their mistaken belief that quantity somehow trumps quality, this is going to help you stand out from the crowd. Standing out is good. Mention past projects that are similar to the one that you're proposing to. This helps make it simple for the client to imagine that you are the one that's going to be doing the job and doing the job well. It also helps quickly build trust and credibility. Here's an example of what the PS in your proposal could say. PS, thank you for taking the time to read my proposal, Mugdirt. The marketing plan that you and the Evermoon Media team have for global expansion is something I'd love to be a part of, and I feel that I have a lot to offer in helping achieve those goals. Here are a couple more examples of work I've done for past clients that I think you might find interesting and particularly relevant. And you put a link to the project. It's personal and it's specific. It's also just quick, straight to the point, and pertinent. A couple of sentences will go a long way and grab the reader's attention, who will then want to learn more about you. If you can hook them with a captivating PS, then they'll be much more likely to read the rest of your proposal, which means there's a much greater chance of you winning that job. Reverse hook. Now that we know the importance of a captivating PS, let's take a look at some of the tips on how to write one. First, make sure you personalize it using the client's name. Second, talk specifically about the project at hand and some of the unique things that you can add to it. Third, mention past projects you've done that are similar to the one that you are proposing to do. Finally, keep it short and sweet. A couple of sentences are going to do the trick here. To see how to use this in action, you're going to want to watch this video right here. One, just click on the video, boy. Boom.